Hello and welcome to Mechanical High and welcome to a new build series. In this build series we have my 2005 Mercedes E55 AMG. We've noticed that y'all really like the videos that we've already put out in this car, so we decided to make a whole build series. So in today's video we're going to be walking through all the parts that we have and we're just going to be talking about the car. Let's get into it. In case y'all are new to the channel, my name is Robbie. Quinn's behind the camera, and Josh is somewhere in Narnia. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so you can stay up to date on all of our content, and let's go ahead and walk through all of these parts. Actually, first off, if y'all are new to the channel, my 2005 Mercedes E55 AMG. We've already done headers on this car. I've got tint on the car, and that is literally it. The car came with an 83mm upgraded pulley, which is only like 5mm smaller than the stock pulley. And I put a tune on it, and that is it. So it has a pulley, a tune, long tube headers. Otherwise than that, stock. Enter parts.
Yes.
So, not gonna lie, since I already said this is my daily driver, this thing has right around 500 horsepower mark.
It definitely has more. Like,
yeah, like
it was definitely underrated for the factory, and you can tell. Like,
yeah. So out of the factory, it comes with 469 horsepower out of the box. With the few modifications that I've done, it's definitely over the 500 horsepower mark on paper, but as Quinn said, it might be more.
I think it's definitely more.
Probably definitely is more. Anyways, since it is my daily driver, I am honestly not going to be touching the engine in this build series. I'm not saying that I will never touch the engine, I'm just saying it won't be in this build series. This is going to be a more cosmetic focused build series with more exhaust because the car is not loud enough as I predicted. So, let's go ahead and start off with the exhaust.
What did you bring those out? What are we gonna do with those?
I'll put these back on.
This is the one. Oh, they both came with the car. This one was the one that went on above the glass. This one was on the.
Yeah. So these are just two rear spoilers that I liked, but they were held on. Well, held on is a loose term. They were on.
They were. Yeah. They touched the vehicle in some way.
Yeah. Like. The reason why I took off the rear spoiler is because I was filling it up with gas one day. My elbow like nicked the corner of it, and like it all came up and like just flopped up. And I was like, oh, that's gonna kill somebody if that flies off the highway. So I just ripped it off. So yes, these two will be going back on, but
we can put on properly.
Let's show you what we got for the exhaust. So in the previous video, we have installed long tube headers for this car and finished up all the maintenance for this car. Make sure to go check out that video. It will be somewhere up there. We may have already linked it, so just go watch it. It's installing installing long tube headers on the Mercedes E55.
I think that definitely woke the car up a lot.
Yes.
Like,
minus all the exhaust leaks. So
well, that just helps, you know.
Yeah, this car probably has a solid 4 different exhaust leaks. I've been holding off on fixing them just because I'm going to get our muffler shop guys to just weld up all the clamps so I don't have any more exhaust leaks. And while they're at it, they're going to install these, which are freaking cutouts, baby. So these are electronic cutouts that we have for this car. All the wiring and stuff is down there that I'm not going to pull out. But anyways, we're going to get these to be welded up so it has a little flap that either dumps the exhaust where I want to place it, which is going to be before the mufflers, or can close and have regular mufflers. What this allows me to do is have a brutally loud Mercedes when I want it, or a this loud Mercedes as we want it. So that is going to do it for exhaust, because that is pretty much everything that we have for the exhaust. So, and all of this other stuff is exterior.
Going to smallest to biggest, biggest to smallest, or just going to get this
front to back.
Cool.
All right. We actually have a few videos out on this car. One buying it, a few smaller like shorts saying what we liked about the car, what we didn't like about the car. In that video, I mentioned that this bumper, if you want to come around here, is kind of seen better days.
Yeah, it's got a crack down there. The mesh is kind of popping out at different points.
Chrome strip is not chrome anymore. It's just like it doesn't look
It's
good.
a 200,000 mile bumper on a car.
187, thank you. Get your mileage right. Anyways, so I picked up the Mercedes E63 front bumper, which is going to give us more aggression in the front Bumper area, sharper curves, gonna look a lot better, more aggressive. To go along with that, I picked up a carbon fiber. It's called the God Hand style front lip. So that is what is in this box. I don't necessarily want to unbox it just because it's a massive piece of carbon fiber that I don't want to have anything happen to it.
I've not even seen it yet. I didn't even know you bought that.
All right. All right.
You don't have to unbox it if you don't want to. We can wait.
I gotta give the viewers what they want.
All right.
Can you hold that up right real quick? I gotta find a knife. There we go. This I am hoping that I don't rip off because it was expensive.
It's getting ripped off. First impressions, it's really stiff. Like way stiffer than a fiberglass recreation.
Carbon fiber, so
yeah.
It should be.
You know what? Let's just do a peek.
Yeah. I don't want to
pull the whole thing out.
pull this whole thing out.
Look at that reflection though.
It's stupid nice. It's gonna give us a really good look in the front. I've already taken everything off.
Just a really good look.
A fantastic.
Yeah, that's gonna.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Yeah. Quite excited with that. We are gonna have to rib nut that end.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hollow.
Yeah, you don't want to lose that. Even if like you just roll over it, like you don't want to lose that thing.
Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna give us some good. It's gonna lower the front a lot more. Speaking of lowering, I'm not gonna show you the wheels in this video, but I need to mock up the wheels so I can see if I need to order suspension, because that's one thing that I don't have for it right now. The car sits pretty low as is.
Like, yeah, it's only got about half-inch gap between the wheel and the fender.
Yeah, and these are 18s. I have 19s for the car, so it should close that gap even more.
I don't think you're gonna have to lower it.
I don't think I'm gonna have to go lower either, which is why I have not ordered suspension for it. And frankly, I like the Mercedes ride quality because it's freaking Mercedes ride quality. Anyways, lip, front bumper. We have the full front end conversion kit somewhere. Oh, it's in this box and one of the boxes back there. It's from ECS Tuning. It takes the E55 front bumper and lets you put the E63 front bumper, just the conversion kit, whatever. We have the E63 front grille. That's what is in that massive box. Some decals. Oh, those are the conversion kit stuff. We have some gloss protective enamel because when we're talking about crusty headlights, this is the definition.
Like,
yeah, can we just?
You can definitely tell it's been re-cleared before.
Yeah, it's bad though. So I will be taking these headlights out. I'm not gonna get new headlights. I'm just gonna take these out, open them up, and give them an entire refresh. Probably gonna go with gloss black housings, just because we'll show you the wrap. We're about to. Yeah, so I'll show you the wrap color. Not gonna show you the wheels, but actually let's talk about the wheels before I show you the wrap color. So these wheels, I'm gonna tell you, are 3-piece wheels. They look frickin' beautiful. They are custom.
They're very shiny.
4 months to get here and to be built.
Has it really been
Holy
4
crap.
months?
Yeah,
Yeah,
since November.
That is true. Yeah, you ordered them Black Friday sale.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm super stoked on these wheels. This will frankly be probably one of the first videos that we release in this build series, so you'll be able to see them soon enough. But anyways, we have 3-piece wheels for this car. Gonna be mint. Let's show you this wrap color. Then I'll give you my vision for this car. Let's just not tape that. That's easy. Like the dullest box cutter known to man. It's not even a box cutter. Y'all ready? Whatever, that's right. That's right. It's satin black. Dusty satin black. But satin black. Yeah. So, my vision for this car, since it is my daily, I just want it to be pretty low-key, sound great, be fast, not grab a lot.
I want to be
of
low
attention.
key, so I'm gonna murder it out and make it straight white.
It's not gonna be freaking neon like that car. Yeah, so it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be murdered out. I'm really excited for this. So the color scheme that I'm going for is obviously the satin black on the entire car, gloss black accents, and I'm gonna retain the chrome trim, so it's really gloss black and chrome trim accents to really offset and make the satin black pop.
The way he's gonna do the chrome is gonna look really good. Like,
Yeah,
this very subtle, make it.
I'm quite excited to start this build. Like, you can ask Quinn or Josh, I've been bugging to start this build series ever since I've had these parts, which has been a few months now, so.
He was really waiting for
these
coming,
yeah. Now they're here, we're gonna start the build. I'm super excited. I think that is frankly all the parts that we have. I mean, yeah, like I said, it's fast enough that I'm not gonna need to touch the engine for a while. That's pretty much it. Let me put this back up and we'll film an outro. All right, guys, that is going to do it for all the parts that we have in this video. I'm super excited to start on this build because this is my daily driver and I have to look at the crappy exterior, how it sits every single day, because it's kind of boring right now. But we're gonna be changing that. So we have a video coming out every Tuesday. It's either going to be on this car or on our 335i build. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our content, because it's pretty freaking good content if I do say so myself, because who doesn't love building awesome cars? So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to do all the YouTube stuff that I've already mentioned. And when it comes to building your car, make sure to build it, don't buy it. See you guys.